Hi, good afternoon to everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain monohybrid cross. What is monohybrid cross? Monohybrid cross show the inheritance of both dominant and recessive characters. This monohybrid cross is done to observe inheritance of single pair of contrasting characters. What is monohybrid cross? Monohybrid cross shows the inheritance of both dominant and recessive characters. This monohybrid cross is done to observe inheritance of single pair of contrasting characters. Single pair ఒకటే pair of అంటే సింగిల్ పేర్ ఆఫ్ కాంట్రాస్టింగ్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఇన్హెరిటెన్స్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయడానికి మోనోహైబ్రిడ్ క్రాస్ చేశారు. This cross shows both dominant and recessive characters. What is dominant? Dominant is nothing but which express its characters. Recessive is nothing but which cannot express its characters is recessive. Now coming to the cross. What is cross? Capital T is crossed with small t. Here we have to mention either male or female. Male is denominated as with the symbol this, and female is denoted with the symbol this is female and this is male. Here TT is nothing but tall and small t is denoted as dwarf. Now this is the dominant and this is the recessive, small t. Now we have to cross this, and this capital T small t are parents. Here we have to take a single gamete. Two capital T's are seen here and two small t's are seen here. Now one single gamete should be taken from each parent. So we took capital T for this for this tall dominant trait, and small t is taken from these two small t recessive dwarf. So these are known as gametes. GAMETS. So these are capital T is crossed with small t. Those are denoted. Those are parents, and a single allele is taken from those two. So capital T is taken from tall and small t is taken from dwarf. These both are gametes. So gametes are fused to get a progeny. So this is F1 progeny. Here capital T and small t. Capital T dominates the recessive small t. So this is the tall. Here all tall progeny are seen in F1. Now F1 is self pollinated. That means F1 is crossed with F1. Here F1 is capital T small t crossed with capital T small t. So ikkada manam here we have to what we say, note a table. Here we should like what we say, we have to column as male and female. Capital T small t, capital T here, small t here, capital T here, and small t here. In the F1 progeny, capital T small t is crossed with capital T small t, that is self-pollinated. Nothing but F1 is crossed with F1. F1 is crossed itself with F1. Now we have to draw a table denoting like male symbol and female symbol. We have to write the gametes. Here capital T small t. So we wrote here capital T small t in the male session. And now coming to the female, we wrote here capital T small t in the different columns, so different rows. Now we have to cross this with this, so capital T capital T. Now we have to cross this with this, so capital T small t. Now we have to cross this with this, so capital T with small t, small t. Now this with this, so capital small t small t. Got? So this capital T is tall. This also tall, and this also tall, but this is dwarf. Capital T small t is also tall because the dominant character what dominates the recessive one. So recessive character ikkada express avadu, recessive character does not express its character, so this is tall. And same here itself, this is a tall, and small t recessive one, this is dwarf. So here now we have to what we say write ratio of phenotype and genotype. What is phenotype and genotype? Phenotype ante enti? What is phenotype? Phenotype is the character phenotype ante these are the characters these are the outside characters that does not what we say అంటే మనకు బయట కనిపించే వాటినే ఫీనోటైప్ అంటాం. ఇన్నర్గా జెనెటికల్లీ అనేది జీనోటైప్ అంటాము. ఫీనోటైప్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద క్యారెక్టర్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ షోన్ అవుట్. లైక్ టాల్, డ్వార్ఫ్, షార్ట్, wrinkled, round. These are the characters which expressed outside. Phenotype is nothing but the character which are seen outside. Outside అంటే చూడ్డానికి అది ఎట్లా ఉన్నది దాన్ని బట్టి మనం ఫినోటైప్ అంటాము. సో హియర్ ఇక్కడ ఈ టేబుల్లో ఫినోటైప్ వచ్చేసరికి టాల్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ రేషియో ఆఫ్ దిస్ 4. ఇన్ దాట్ టాల్ వచ్చేసరికి 3 ఉన్నాయి. సో ఫినోటైప్ ఈస్ 3:, డ్వార్ఫ్ వచ్చేసరికి 1 ఉంది. సో 3:1 ఈజ్ ఫీనోటైప్ రేషియో. జీనోటైప్ రేషియో వచ్చేసరికి జీనోటైప్ ఈజ్ జెనెటికల్లీ ట్రేట్స్ మనము విచ్ ఆర్ జెనెటికల్ ట్రేట్స్. ఫీనోటైప్ జీనోటైప్ వచ్చేసరికి మనము ఏమంటారంటే వాట్ వి సే ఈజ్ జీనోటైప్. ఫినోటైప్ అంటే బయట అవుట్ సైడ్ క్యారెక్టర్స్, అండ్ జీనోటైప్ అనేసరికి వీ హ్యావ్ టు సీ ద అల్లీల్స్, డామినెంట్, రెసెసివ్, దాన్ని బట్టి జీనోటైప్ చూస్తాము. హియర్ జీనోటైప్లో టాల్ వచ్చేసరికి 1 ఉంది, క్యాపిటల్ టీ వచ్చేసరికి 1 ఉంది. హియర్ క్యాపిటల్ టీ స్మాల్ టీ వచ్చేసరికి 2 ఉన్నాయి, 2 టాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ క్యాపిటల్ టీ స్మాల్ టీ వచ్చేసరికి 2 ఉన్నాయి, అండ్ డ్వార్ఫ్ వచ్చేసరికి 1 ఉంది. So this is the genotype ratio and phenotypic ratio of monohybrid cross. Genotypic ratio of monohybrid cross is 1:2:1, and phenotypic ratio of monohybrid cross is 3:1. So this is the monohybrid cross. I'm going to brief explain about monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross which shows the inheritance of both dominant and recessive characters. To observe inheritance of single pair of contrasting, monohybrid cross is done to observe inheritance of single pair of contrasting characters. Here we are going to cross between tall and dwarf. Tall is denoted with capital T, and small is denoted dwarf is denoted with small t. Here we have to represent it with male and female symbols. This is female symbol and that is male symbol. So here capital T is dominant and small t is recessive. these tall and dwarf are parents, and we have to take a single gamete. So we took capital T. We took capital T from tall parent. So here capital T, we took a single T from tall parents and small t from the dwarf parents. Now both gametes are being fused to get progeny, that is capital T and small t. Those are genetically hybrid tall. This is genetically hybrid tall. Hybrid tall. This is pure tall character and pure dwarf character. From pure tall is crossed with pure dwarf. We got hybrid tall progeny, F1 progeny. All tall progenies are seen in this F1. Now F1 is self-pollinated, that is nothing but F1 is crossed with F1, that is capital T crossed with small t, and capital T small t crossed with capital T small t. Here we can write this is one method to write, and the another method is we can cross capital T small t crossed with capital T small t, right? Capital T small t, capital T and small t. Here capital T is crossed with this, and same capital T is crossed with that. Here small t is crossed with this, and small t is crossed with small t. Here capital T, capital T small t, capital T small t and small t small t. Got it? Both are the methods to cross to get progeny. This is the box method and this is the cross method. Here capital T gametes, here 4 gametes are being taken, capital T small t and capital T small t. First capital T is crossed with the another capital T, then capital T is crossed with small t, then small t is crossed with capital T, then small t is crossed with small t. Here in this progeny we got pure tall, hybrid tall, this is hybrid tall, and this is pure dwarf. So here the phenotypic ratio is 3 talls. So we have to see what phenotype is nothing but the outside characters, like tall, dwarf, round, wrinkled, the yellow color, green colors, like outside characters ni చూపించేదే phenotypic. ఇక్కడ 3 talls ఉన్నాయి, సో 3:, dwarf 1 ఒకటే ఉంది కాబట్టి 3:1 is the phenotypic ratio. Now coming to the genotypic ratio, here pure tall ఒకటే ఉంది, capital T ఒకటే ఉంది, so 1. Now coming to the hybrid tall, that is capital T small t, capital T small t రెండు ఉన్నాయి, so 2 hybrid talls ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 2. Now ఒకటే టీటీ అంటే ఒకటే డ్వార్ఫ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ప్యూర్ డ్వార్ఫ్ ఒకటే ఉంది కాబట్టి ఒకటే. సో జీనోటైపిక్ రేషియో ఇస్ 1:2:1. దిస్ ఈజ్ మోనోహైబ్రిడ్. This is complete monohybrid cross. So thank you all for your support. Please like, subscribe and share and comment my channel. Thank you.